Alright, hey everybody. So today we're working on a small improvement that we've been talking about for a little bit, bringing it up in conversations. So as of right now, these two boxes were not here before. It was just empty space. Now we brought these boxes over because if we turn around, we have our black and white machine. Now usually this could run really simple, like small runs or really large drops. For the small runs, they're running about like 500 to maybe 1,000 sheets of 1-up 8.5 by 11. And usually when we're printing something like that, we're already having a box made. So usually when we hit print, we come over here, we walk all the way from our print room all the way into our shipping station, and then we have to walk all the way back with our pre-made box. Now that's already a waste of itself. That's wasted motion and wasted transportation. So as of right now, we added these boxes right here, and we're gonna go ahead and get them labeled and make a little spot for them. And yeah, we are back. Alrighty, we got our station all set up now. So we have a label for our smaller box, and we have a label for our medium to large box. We have our chipboards right there, and we have our tape gun when we need to package all our boxes up. So yeah, so this is a good improvement. I think this is going to cut down on a lot of transportation and a lot of excess motion that we've been doing. So yeah, good improvement, starting out small, and let's see what we can do for the future. Okay, thanks for watching.